Hey brother, it's Mark. Yeah, this is late, but I was having a lot of issues with this code. So yeah, it's late, but I did get everything done, thankfully. Just trying to get as much credit as I can at this point. All right, so we're just gonna. Sorry, I should open the other screen. All right, so let's see. Okay, so we're logged out. So at the bottom left of the browser, it says login. So we're just gonna click that, and then it still has the login at the bottom left. So we're just gonna log in now using the level 1. Let's just find. Excuse me. Login. Okay, so there's the info. First name, last name, email, client level. Perfect. And if you hover over here again, if you will check out the bottom left, now that we're logged in, it shows that this my account has become a logout button. But before I actually log out, I gotta check out this HTML. All right, perfect. So we're good there. So yeah, if I click this, it's going to log me out. And yep, we should be logged out. Let's just check here. Yep, since we're logged out, the bottom left says that we need to log in. So it does change depending on whether you're logged in or not. Now we'll log in again, but this time we're going to use the admin, the level 3 password, login. So yes, we have the level 3 showing there, and this is the paragraph that shows up if it's level 3. So we're gonna we have this second. Okay. Yep. So yeah, we have that link. So now I'm just gonna click the link. And we are at the product management page. Perfect. Okay, and I guess I'll just show off the extra credit now. I'm just gonna, by clicking here, we're just gonna, since we're logged in, it's gonna say logged out at the bottom left. So I'm just gonna right click that actually, so that works. So okay, here it shows we are logged out, so the bottom left says login. So in that case, we're just going to go here. Since we're logged out now, I'm just going to refresh. And since we are not logged in, we are just sent back to the home page. And I'll do it for the other pages too. Let me just. And then. Alright. So, yeah, we're just going to hit that up. Since we're logged in, we can just do that. So it shows. If we click the logout for any of these, it's going to do it for this main one. Right click. Okay. Yep, we're logged out here. So if I refresh this, we are out. Refreshed. Yep, logged out. Refresh, and logged out. All right, so yep, that's everything. Yeah, sorry this was late. I just really struggled with this, but at least I was able to get it. Yeah. Okay. Cool.